Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create slow motion video in Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful video editing app that allows users to create professional looking videos directly on their phone. One popular editing effect is a slow motion, which makes a video clip play more slowly than normal. Slow motion is often used in the cinematic scenes, actions, movements, or the dramatic shots to highlight the detail. So below is a step-by-step guide to creating a slow motion video in Videoleap. First, unlock your phone and open to your Videoleap app on the device. Over here what you can do is you can simply import your video by selecting on the plus icon, or as I'm going to select to this project here, and I'm going to select one of the draft. Once the video appears in the timeline at the bottom of the screen, tap on the clip here, and on the bottom you can find to the speed. Tap on the speed and it opens to the speed adjustment settings. Inside the speed setting you will see a slider. Drag the slider to the left to slow the video down. For example, 1x is for the normal speed, 0.5x half speed, slow motion, 0.25 is very slow motion as well. And as you move the slider, Videoleap will automatically adjust the playback speed of your clip. Adjust the playback speed of your clip. Slow motion works best with the high frame rate videos because creating a slow motion in Videoleap is simple. Just import your clip, select the timeline and use the speed tool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.